Good morning. Children, in today's numeracy class, we will learn about 5 more new shapes. Yes. But I want to tell you, these new shapes will be formed by the old shapes you have learned. Means, do you remember in the last numeracy video, I have told you about square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Now, today we will talk about cube, cuboid, sphere, cone and cylinder. I am talking about these 5 new shapes. Now, these shapes are related to our old shapes. Yes, our old shapes will help to form these new shapes. How? I will explain. So, today we are not going to discuss all 5 shapes. We will discuss only cube and cuboid. So, let's see what is cube. You must have seen this. This is an example of cube. Now, how cube form? So, let me take my brush. I will show you. Children, can you see this is a square? Or it has 4 sides and all sides are equal. This is a square. Similarly, this is a square. Now, if you have this cube at your place, you will see it has this kind of 6 square. Yes, 1, 2, 3 we can see, and other 3 that is on the other part we can't see here. So, when 6, how many? 6 squares hold each other's hand and sit together, it forms a cube. So, I am repeating again. When 6 square hold each other's hand and sit together, they form a cube. Now, where we can see cube? This is one of the example that you can see at your place. Ice cube. Have you seen Mama pour water in the ice tray to form ice cube? When it solidified, when water freezes, it becomes ice. So, ice is an example of cube. If you can hold ice, I know this is very difficult, so do one thing. Ask Mama to give you an ice cube. You put it on a plate and fast you have to do, otherwise ice will melt. So how many squares are there? You will check. It also has 6 squares because it is ice cube. So 6 squares of ice hold each other's hand and sit together to form an ice cube. Similarly, have you seen boxes? Nowadays, as we are not able to go outside, we are shopping, we are ordering things online. So sometimes some things are coming in box, brown color box. So if such box will come to a place, after sanitizing it, just count, just first see, is it made up of squares? If it has 6 squares in the box, how to count? You have to take a box and you have to count in this way. The ma'am has count. You can see all the square here in photo, in camera, in mobile. We can see only 3 square. Actually, it has 6 square. So, if you get a box, first you see, is it a square? आपको पहले ये चेक करना पड़ेगा. Is it a square? Yes. If it is a square, then count. How many squares are sitting together? If it is 6 square are sitting together, then it is a cube. Gift box. कभी कभी हमारे जो बर्थडे होते हैं वहाँ पे हमें गिफ्ट बॉक्स मिलता है. That is a cube. Now, sometimes you get a box like, 1 minute, these shapes, isn't it? आपको इस शेप का भी बॉक्स मिलता है ना देखने को. Haven't you seen? A long box. But what is the difference between this box and cube? I'm telling you. Let me take my brush. See, this box has rectangle. See, these are rectangle. So, when 6 rectangle hold each other's hand and sit together, they form cuboid. Yes. Again I am repeating. When 6 rectangles hold each other's hand and sit together, they form a cuboid. So, where we can see cuboids? Cuboids you can see, as I said, nowadays we ordering things online. So, some boxes come in cube shapes, some are in these shapes, a long box. So, whenever a box will come to a place, maybe it is a online order box, sometimes some birthday party we order cake also come in a box. So, first you check the box that it has square or rectangle. If it has square, then count how many squares are there. If it has 6 squares, then that box is a cube. And if it has 6 rectangle, then that box is a cuboid. Remember children, any kind of box may be cube or cuboid. But it depends. If it is made up of 6 squares, it is cube. If it is made up of 6 rectangle, it is cuboid. Now ma'am is talking about box. Now in cube, ma'am is talking about ice. Yes. If I will pour some water in my ice tray, I will get ice cube. Okay. Now I will show you a picture that is from your book only. In your book, shapes, in this book, just a minute, shapes and colors book, if you open page number 29, you will see this is a picture of a birthday party. It's Riya's birthday party. Here in this picture, I will show you the cube and cuboid. Let me take green color. Okay. First, I will show you cube. I told you any kind of box is cube. Now, you see this box are cube, gift box. Now, when next time in your whenever it is your birthday, you just check the box is cube or cuboid, right? So, this gift box are cube. Why? If you see very carefully, you will see it is made up of 6 squares. How many squares? 6 squares. Cube. Okay. Now look at the cake. Now I have told you 6 rectangle sits together and hold each other's hand to form a cuboid. Now I will take another color. This cake is an example of cuboid. Why? Can you see? This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. So other surface is also rectangle, other face is also rectangle. If we can hold the cake in our hand, so we can count that there are 6 rectangle. How many rectangles are there in the cake? 6. अभी आप बोलोगे मैम केक कैन बी हार्ट शेप, कैन बी सर्कल. Yes, it can be, but in this picture, it is Riya's birthday cake. This birthday cake is a cuboid. Why? Because this birthday cake is made up of 6 rectangle who sit together and hold each other's hand to form a cuboid shaped cake. Okay. Now, today we have talked about only 2 shapes, cube and cuboid. In next class, we will talk about sphere, cone and cylinder. Okay. Now, watch this video carefully and try to find out things at home which is either cube or cuboid shape. Now I am giving you some example. For example, remote. Just after watching this video, go and check remote of your TV. Is it rectangle face or square face? या अगर rectangle 6 rectangles है उसमें या 6 squares है. Okay. Check. You will see there are so many things around the house which is either cube shape or cuboid shape. You have to find out. Okay, children? And now go and find out your cube and cuboid. Till then, bye. Take care.